Hi guys, just a quick video on my TBS Discovery that I'm building just now for some FPV long range. I've just reflashed some ESCs with Simon K's latest software. Those were Hobby King 30 amp UBEX, the blue ones. I've soldered on the tail for the battery. I've yet to add some motors. I believe they're 900 kV, they're Torx powers. The Naza V2 yet to be added, and I'm also going to add mini OSD to this, along with my easy UHF. All I'll do is I'll try and add a bit each time that I'm going to do with the build. The screws that came with the TBS Discovery, I don't like them, to be honest with you guys. I suppose it's to everybody's individual taste. I just took them and just threw them. Basically, I don't like them. I'm using DJI's original screws. That's what I'm using for mine. And anyway, I'll keep you up to date with the build for when I get the IOSD all wired up as well, the mini one. Anyway guys, back soon. Bye bye. Okay guys, quick update. I've added the Naza V2. I've mounted the PMU on top of the Naza just to give me a bit more space. I've connected up all the wires for controlling for the TRX. What I'm going to do later is I'm going to just add one wire, I believe it is, to this end here. So far that's it. I've got to add the motors yet. The wires are going to be way too long, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to cut these because as you can see they're far too long. I don't like doubling them back along the arms because I believe it can create interference. So the less interference that we have, the better. So anyway, that's the update so far. I'll keep you posted on the next steps. Thanks for watching. A small update for you guys. I've now wired up the IOSD. Brown and yellow wires are going to, well, the yellow is obviously for the video, brown is the negative, but what I've also done is attached one of these regulators. It cleans up the power and it allows me to, there are two spare there that I can, obviously it can handle up to 30 odd volts, I think it is, but what it does, it initially gives you a clean power supply to power your camera, and anything else like your video transmitter that you're going to be obviously using, because you don't want any interference. So I've just tested it and it's working perfectly. It's only a 400 lined camera there, but cost 20 quid or something like that, and it is absolutely perfect now that I've installed one of these. As you can see here, the other dark brown and, well, two dark brown one leads coming from the IOSD are going to the video out, which goes to the black and the red of your video transmitter. I'm using immersion RC gear, so anything else from that might be different. I have to connect the power supply yet for the video transmitter, and also I'm going to put some more heat shrink on some of these wires and tidy them up a bit, and also some of these, and remove the plugs that are not required. Do a general bit of tidying up. The IOSD, I am not sure where I'm going to put it yet. I'm thinking about putting it on the top plate. It's not going to do any harm up there, and it'll be out of the road, along with the transmitter and everything. Anyway guys, I'll add a bit more when I get that to the next stage. Anyway, thanks for now. Okay guys, I'm more or less finished with the electronic side of it now. I fed the wires up through this arm here, and you can see that in the shot. Fed the wires up for the going to the video sender, up through the arm here, also with the power supply that's going to be a clean supply off of this filter. So when this initially gets then popped over, what will happen then is obviously that will get mounted on there. The Easy OSD, I was planning putting the cable up through there. I've already fed the Easy OSD cable down through there, so that will then easily clip in there, and it'll be all nice, neat, tidy. Just a GPS then to add. I've got my motors to put on, connect up the ECs, configure it, and job should be done. Anyway, I'll get back to you when I've done the motors and put the ECs and more or less built it, because there's not much left to show now. It was just the wiring up of everything. So as you can see, fed the Easy OSD from the centre here up through it again through another arm, and that will then sit on top out of the road. So anyway, I'll update you once I've got the motors and everything done, guys. Alright guys, just a quick follow up. Motors have now been added on each corner, obviously. I'm unsure yet if I'm going to have the video transmitter lying down, or am I going to make a plate for it, some plastic, and have it sitting up like that. Probably end up putting it just flat down there. Mini OSD is now in place. I've attached a GPS stand that you can collapse, easy enough to tighten up, and that's it in place then. Apart from that, there's I've just got to attach this, configure it, put in a couple of bolts, and she should be good for testing. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll obviously put up a video with the IOSD working, I hope, if I can manage, if I've got time, and hopefully then get some quick flight tests done, and we'll get some recordings of that done. Anyway, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Any questions, ask me on the forum. Thanks guys, bye bye.